The problem with people who are struggling with bad family relationship is they do not read the Bible. And even if they read the Bible, they do not understand when Bible is talking about earth and the heavens and God saying let there be light and immediately light happened. They do not understand any of these things. They think that it is just talking about some fictional mythology. It is actually talking about your own human consciousness, your awareness, your imagination, your ability to create wonderful life circumstances for yourself. So by the end of this video, you are going to learn what Bible truly means when it is talking about earth being formless and empty. What Bible truly means when it is talking about God and light. Because as you understand these things, you will be able to solve all the conflicts that are present in your family right now and restore a good relationship with your family members, even if they are toxic and narcissistic. In Genesis chapter number 1, the Bible says, "The earth was formless and empty. And God said, let there be light, and there was light." Now, I've already told you that the language of Bible is cryptic. You have to be able to interpret the language of Bible correctly so that you can live an amazing life. You can resolve all of your family conflicts. You can get whatever you want out of your life. So when Bible says earth, it is actually talking about a meditative state. Because only in meditative state there is formlessness and there is emptiness. When you close your eyes and you start paying attention on the incoming flow and outgoing flow of your breath, at a certain point in time, as you go on with this mindfulness practice, you will be thrown into a space which is formless, which is empty, where you're not bothered by any thoughts, where you're not bothered by any painful memories or any worrisome imagination, further imagination. That is the moment where you have encountered formless and empty. That is the moment where you have encountered earth. When Bible talks about earth is formless and empty, it is actually talking about this meditative state. And God said, let there be light, and there was light. So when you reach this meditation state, whatever you imagine will come to life. When Bible talks about God, it is actually talking about your imagination. So the thing that you have to understand is meditate, go into this formless emptiness state, and then imagine wonderful things happening to you. Imagine amazing, beautiful things happening in your life circumstances. And whatever you imagine will happen, because God says, let there be light, and there was light. Whatever you imagine will happen. The word becomes flesh. That is the meaning of this verse of Bible. And I understood this 3 years ago when I was dealing with anxiety and panic attacks. I went into a meditation retreat. They taught me how to meditate. They taught me techniques like Yoga Nidra and Anapan yoga of Buddhism. You can either do Anapan or you can follow Yoga Nidra. Either way, you will be thrown into a formless emptiness state of meditation. Then I was trained by my meditation mentors to use my imagination as if it was the highest thing that I possess. I had to make my imagination very vivid, and I had to imagine that I was face to face in front of a family representative of mine. I had to imagine that they were crying their eyes out, asking for my forgiveness, embracing me. And I was imagining that I was telling them, I forgive you. as I did this imagination practice, and I started to believe in the reality of this imagination act, all of a sudden, whatever I imagined happened in my physical world. My relationship with my dad and my maternal aunt magically improved. That's when I understood that imagination is God, because God says, let there be light, and there will be light. Imagination said that I already resolved conflict within my family members, and it actually got resolved in my physical world. I did not have to go to any family therapy. I did not have to confront them. I did not have to use any rationale or logical conversation with them. I just imagined that there was light, and light happened. I just imagined that my issues with family members was solved, and it was solved. It's that simple. So, if you want to work with me in order to learn how to tap into this formless emptiness state and use your imagination as God in order to create wonderful family relationships, in order to solve conflict within your family members, then click the link that is present in the pinned comment section down below. I will send you a ritual that will help you develop a sense of meditativeness and develop your wonderful human imagination so that you can live an amazing family life.